Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if Nintendo Switch 2 supports wired network connection. And the answer is, of course, yes. Of course, there's no port on the device itself for the network, but in two different methods you can connect a wired network, either by using a dock, which I have right here. It's included in all brand new boxes of Nintendo Switch 2, and of course if you buy it used, then if the seller includes it as well, then you'll also have it, and it's used mostly for connecting the Nintendo Switch to TV or just for charging. Now on the back of it you'll have this door which you can open in order to see three ports. The AC adapter, which has to be plugged in order to first of all charge your device, and also power the dock itself because it requires external power to run. Then HDMI out, which can be used to connect to your TV, and a LAN port. This LAN port is optional, but if it's plugged in, then you'll have a wired, of course, faster connection than Wi-Fi and more stable one. So if you have a cable for that, then you can use it. In a moment I'm also gonna show you what to do in the settings once you connect to the wired network, because that has to be set manually. Now the other method is actually requiring an external device, but can be used in the handheld mode as well, and this is a adapter. In my case it's a hub. You can see it has different ports, but you can also just get an adapter with the Ethernet port. On one side it's USB-C, so it fits your console, then on the other end it's Ethernet port, which is for the wired network connection. Now you can use either of the USB-C ports on the device, either the top or the bottom one, plug it in, then here on this end you'll need to plug in the wired network. I've done it right now. I don't know if I can show you that. I have a pretty short cable, but this is the Ethernet cable. You need to plug it into the right port. Now when the light starts blinking, if there are lights on the adapter you have, basically if your wired connection was already set up once, then it'll automatically connect and display this wired symbol instead of Wi-Fi. But if it hasn't been yet set up, then you'll need to go to settings, internet settings, and you'll find wired connection or wired network, wired connection, and you'll need to click on that, then connect to wired network. And when it says connection successful, you can just click on OK and you're connected. It'll show you that in the connection status. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.